Not sure how to clean your retainers? Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan here from i.Dental. Follow these simple do's and don'ts and make sure you're caring for them the right way. Do rinse your retainer with lukewarm water every single time you take it out to remove any saliva or debris. Do also brush it gently with a soft toothbrush and mild soap to keep it clean. Do use retainer cleaning tablets like Polydent daily to ensure the hygiene is maintained well. Do store your retainers with the case open when cleaning them at home. You do want to be mindful of Singapore's hot, humid weather because that can promote the growth of mold. Don't use hot water to soak or rinse your retainers as it may warp the plastic and not hold your teeth right. Don't use toothpaste on your retainer as the abrasive particles inside can scratch the retainer and affect both its appearance and hygiene. Don't wrap your retainers in napkins or leave them in your pocket. These guys can easily get lost or thrown away by mistake. Most importantly, don't skip those regular dental checkups. Your dentist can check that your retainers are sitting well and fitting in good condition. If you need any help with your retainer care routine, feel free to reach out with me here at i.Dental.